Guys, I'm Deuce with Kids Making It, and today we're going to be making a planter box like this. In the kit, we have two sides. We have the base right here that has the 3 holes on the bottom. We have the side that has holes, 2 holes on the bottom, 2 holes on each side. Make sure the holes on the bottom stay on the bottom, not the top. And then we have the exact same piece for the other side. And then we also have our nails in this bag that we're going to be using to make this. And then, so first off, what we're going to do is put the side on, but it's hard to keep stable, so you should put the sides on like this and then lean this up like that on there so that then it stays by itself, so you don't have to hold it. Then make sure that these 2 sides are even so that then it's not sticking out on you like that. And then you take 1 nail and then put it in the first hole like this. Like that. There we go. And then just nail that one in. Just like that. And then you have to make sure this second side is all lined up evenly so that then it'll be flat. Like this. Make sure you don't hit your fingers with it. Just like that. And then with the hammer, you go and you flip this over and then do the exact same thing on the inside with putting these on there so that then just like that. And then now it stays up by itself again, so then you don't have to worry about falling over on you. And then get out 2 more nails and then put one side in that you have all even. And then with a hammer, if you want, you could have it closer up top so then you have more grip with it. And then hammer it in. There we go. And then do 1 more with it on the other side. Just like that. And now we're onto the sides. So now take one side and put it inside of it. And then make sure that it's all in there right and everything's even. Just like that. And then you could take 1 nail and put into the top one. Like that. And do the same thing with the bottom one. Like that. And then we could flip it over so then we could get the other side. And then it should be pretty even still because it's a straight piece. And then just nail this one in. Like that. And then 1 more for this side. Like that. Now we are going to move on to the other side, but do the exact same thing. Just like this. There we go. And now make sure it's all even like that. And then you go and hammer on in. Just like that. And then 1 more up at the top on this side. There we go. Now we can flip it over and then do our last 2 nails right here. And you can start with it, make sure it's all even still, make sure it's not sticking out. Sometimes it's a little hard to get in there, but just keep on hitting it. Then one last one. And then there we go. And then once it's all done, you can take the piece of sandpaper that's in your baggie and just sand it down a little bit so then it's all smooth and you won't get any splinters from it. Just like that. Thank you for watching.